Do you ever look at people who seem like they just have it all together and wonder, how did they do that? If you're looking to join the passive income game but don't know where to start, we've got your back. You can get rolling with extra money today. The key is to start small and experiment until you find the method that works for you. It may take a few tries, but once you get into a groove, you'll see the cash piling up fast. You don't need special skills or ridiculous amounts of capital. Anyone can do it. To make your life even easier, we've rounded up 10 of our favorite lazy ways to generate income online without breaking a sweat. Welcome to the stash. Keep watching to learn how you can start making money while hitting the snooze button again and again. Number 1. Invest in dividend stocks. This is one of the easiest ways for you to make money. Every quarter or year, a company gives out some of its profits to the people who own them. This money is called dividends, and it can get bigger if the company does really well. Sometimes you can even make more money with dividend stocks when the stock price goes up. If you are looking for some good dividend stocks to invest in, here are 5 of the best ones you can pick right now. Alphabet Incorporated. Its current dividend yield is around 0.7%. Microsoft Corporation has a yield of around 1.6%. Intel Corporation has a yield of around 1.8%. Johnson & Johnson has a yield of around 2.9%. And Procter & Gamble Company has an incredible yield of around 3.1%. By investing in these stocks and holding them for a few years until their price increases, you can earn some good money without lifting a finger. There are a few good companies that you can use to invest your money like Fidelity, Public, or Webull. Webull is one of the companies that is very user-friendly and easy to understand. And the best part is by simply clicking the Webull link in the description below. To create a free Webull account, you will receive 12 stocks worth up to $36,000 when you deposit just 1 penny. That is free money just waiting to be collected. Number 2. Start an online store. Starting an online store is a great way to generate passive income. While there are a few different types of products you can sell, digital and physical products are the most popular. With digital products, there's nothing to keep on hand or ship out, which makes them perfect for hands-off income generation. It's also where you can typically make the most money, as you won't have to pay for any product up front that you will have to resell later at a higher cost. You can sell digital prints or artwork, ebooks, and video courses on topics ranging from cooking to gardening to finance. There are a ton of companies out there that make it really easy to sell digital products, one being eBay. And the best part of eBay is that it is free to sign up and use. If you like to keep your hands in the game a bit more, consider selling physical products. If you're into crafting, you can build and sell items like jewelry, furniture, or home decor. Or you can dropship products from wholesalers if you don't want the hassle of keeping inventory around your house. There are lots of videos out there sharing information about how to dropship products to make a ton of money. Either way, having an online store gives you a great opportunity to make thousands of dollars while you sleep. Number 3. Become a YouTuber. Being a YouTuber is one of the most fun and exciting ways to make money while you sleep. All you need is a YouTube channel and some know-how, and you can create videos with which viewers engage. The more people watch your videos, the more money you can make with YouTube ads. Plus, if your channel gets enough subscribers, you can even start making money through sponsorships. You don't have to be a professional filmmaker or comedian to be a successful YouTuber. You just have to be creative, stick to one topic, and provide value for your audience. To get started quickly, invest in decent equipment like a good camera and microphone. Focus on topics that people will want to watch. Brainstorm creative video ideas. Upload regularly and promote your content on social media. Interact with viewers through comments. And incorporate social media links in the videos for further engagement. Number 4. Rent out your unused space. If you're looking for a way to make some extra money while you sleep, one idea might be to rent out unused space in your home or apartment. Whether it's an extra room, your driveway, or storage space, there are companies that will help connect you with renters. Renting out the unused space in your property can be surprisingly lucrative and with little effort. Plus, all of the renting can be done virtually, so you don't have to leave your home. Most companies will connect renters with hosts like yourself handle the payment, and take care of any legal agreements that need to be made. You also have the option to decide who rents and even specify the types of activities they'll use the space for. You're in full control. Airbnb is one of the most popular websites for listing rooms and houses. They will basically do all the marketing for you, so once you've done the work to set up your space and listing, you can manage all the bookings right from their site. If you are interested in becoming a host, use the link below and get $60 after your first booking. Number 5. Affiliate marketing. This is where you promote products online and the commission or percentage of sales you get in return. It works great as an additional source of income to supplement your primary business, or you can use it as a full-time affiliate marketing business where you try to sell in your niche market. Here's how. Find a program that fits your niche. There are many programs out there that you can join, so look for one that closely matches the niche market you want to target. Get creative. Use creative content such as YouTube videos or blog posts to promote the product and get people excited about it. Make sure your website is optimized for conversions. This means making sure everything on your website looks good, it's easy to navigate, and it has a clear call to action, meaning that it tells your viewers to do something. And use organic SEO tactics, as it will help people find your content more quickly and easily when they're searching for something. Number 6. Sell NFTs. Generating passive income often requires creative thinking. One way to make some money while doing nothing is by selling NFTs. NFT stands for non-fungible tokens, and they are digital assets that are stored on the blockchain. NFTs can be sold and resold and are normally associated with the digital art space, but can also be used for other forms of digital media, like video, music, and gaming. Just about anything digital that has a unique component to it. If you're an artist or creator of any kind, you can use platforms like OpenSea to sell your NFTs. It's easy as pie. Simply create your artwork or content, then upload it as an NFT to the platform. No sweat is required. From there, people across the world can purchase your artwork without you lifting a finger. That's why selling NFTs is such a fantastic lazy way to generate income online without breaking the bank of effort. Number 7. Earn royalties through inventions. Are you the person who sees someone else out there who created some new trending product like mushroom coffee and thinks to yourself, "I thought of that first"? Well, did you know that if you go online and claim the idea without having to invent it, you can then earn money off royalties when someone wants to create your invention? If you are always coming up with good ideas for products, but don't have the resources to create them, then this is one of the easiest and most passive ways to make money while you sleep. And with a little bit of research and preparation, you can really make it rain in this industry. Number 8. Invest in real estate. Investing in real estate might be considered the last thing you want to do when you're feeling lazy about making money, right? But here's the thing. There's a smarter way to invest in real estate without having to do any of the brunt work. Real estate crowdsourcing platforms like Fundrise and RealtyMogul are websites that allow everyday people, not just the super wealthy, to invest in real estate investments like apartments or commercial properties that generate good income but don't require heavy lifting from you. They essentially act like a middleman between you and the private and institutional investors who actually own the property. How they work? The process is pretty simple and straightforward. All you need to do is choose an investment option and set your risk level. Then, pick how much money you want to invest per month or as a lump sum. Once your funds are allocated, they are pooled together with other investors' funds and used to purchase properties through REITs or real estate investment trusts. Then, your share of income generated from these properties is returned back to you in the form of dividends on a regular basis. Number 9. Create an app. Making an app can be a great way to generate passive income. It's easier than you might think and doesn't take too much time either, as many of the tools you need are right at your fingertips. Here's how to get started. Research the market. Explore what apps are already out there. Identify their weaknesses or areas for improvement, and come up with your own unique idea. Work on the design. Use a design platform like Canva to create a unique layout that reflects your brand identity, To start coding, choose a coding language and start programming your app. Java is one of the most popular options. You can also hire someone to do the coding for you on websites like Fiverr. Test and optimize. Make sure all the features work properly by testing it in various device formats. Once it's ready, list it on the App Store or Google Play Store. Market it. Start marketing your app through email campaigns, strategic partnerships, and social media platforms. Collect revenue. Reap the rewards every time someone uses your app. Creating an app may seem daunting at first, but once you break it down into steps, it will become clear that anyone can build an app and generate income without breaking a sweat. Number 10. Build a service-based business. Do you want to make money without doing any of the work yourself? Then, building a service business is the perfect solution for you. What is a service business, you might be asking? Well, there are many different jobs out there that people either don't know how to do themselves or simply just don't want to spend the time. And this could be anything from lawn care, car washing, to painting. For example, say you were to start a cleaning company. You could hire people to do the actual physical labor for you, meaning you don't have to lift a finger. You hire someone to clean at $12 an hour, and the job pays $150 for 4 hours of work. That would basically be like $25 an hour for you, and if you have several houses that need to be cleaned in a day, that money adds up quickly. This approach is great because it allows you to scale your business easily. And as demand grows, simply hire more people to accommodate the additional work and increase your revenues while still spending minimal time and effort. Thanks for spending some time with us today at The Stash. We're so glad you did. And if you found value in today's video, please give us a like. Hit that bell icon to never miss an upload. And don't forget to subscribe.